Hello again, and this is a short video about understanding the band descriptors so that you can correlate it with all the grammatical devices that we have just learned. Let's try to understand what, although we have done it in the beginning, I'm just going to revise you. So we are now aware of different types of grammatical devices that can be used for better band skill, because the band descriptor states, what does it state? Band 6 is a mix of simple and complex sentence forms, right? And I have already told you that. Band 7 is saying a variety of complex structures. And by now, you must have understood that what are the ways of making complex structures. The first we did conditional sentences. Second, we did relative clauses. Then dependent clauses, right? And these all are, and also the rules of punctuation like comma and colon, they can also help you make complex structures. So we have been able to understand how to make complex structures. Now it's your turn. You should try to write as many complex structures you can write in your writing. You have to be careful. You cannot make the communication complicated. That's not right. While reading, it must be very smooth and easily understandable. That's very important. If you look for 8 band, wide range of structures, so you can see the variety of complex structure, or wide range of structures you have further. So wide range means what, right? So it simply says that there are some other devices that you can use which I have not discussed, but you should understand that, you should know that those like all above mentioned grammatical devices can be used to obtain better band skill in writing, that I have already discussed with you. Others are, you should try to use active as well as passive form in all those structures. Although I have not taught you passive voice as a lesson, because this is a very basic kind of thing, and I'll supply you the PDF format of grammar in which you can have information related to this passive voice, right? But I have mentioned the passive voice many times, so I giving the examples of conditional sentences or relative clauses. So if you have marked it well, you might have understood it. If not, you can go through the grammatical part and try to understand what is passive voice, right? But this is very important that you are mixing the variety, because that is a part of variety of or range of structures that we use. And when you talk about the tense, if you are able to use more and more perfect tenses, especially the format like have plus 3 or had plus v3, or the passive form like have been plus v3 or had been plus v3, perhaps it can be again the range of grammatical devices that you're using. So you need to be good at using that. Again, you can take the help of the PDF format that I will send you with this lesson, that can help you immensely in using the grammar properly. Right, so that's all about this short video. I just like to remind that how these complex structures are important and what makes the complex structure. Accuracy is equally important, and for that we did chapters like tenses and articles and punctuations that will help you to maintain your accuracy. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. That's all about this video. Bye.